Maki. Power play. Wala. Another one. Oliva. Rebound by Kulowski. Yun naman. Ice cream goal. Short. Habla na rin tayo. 2-0. Nike. Oh, three! I told you, honey. I told you. Oliva, crossover. Tumaki. Paki. Ista mo na yan. I go. Paki. At Weko. Ali. 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Jonah. Rebound by Mikey. To Robert. Dex, come on, Dex. Rebound. Tumaki. Ayan na. Grabe. Rebound by Oy. Sub, rep, sub, sub. Sub. Alright, sub na, sub, sub, sub. Change spike. Tumigil pa kayo. Pwede na. 12 seconds. Finish it. Rebound by Oliva. Kio. Third and four. In three, in favor of Ice. Jonah. Report natin. Pinapos na yung game sa pagkakita. Gio.
Wow!
Ice cream ball out of bounds. Same goal. 40 seconds. Gio. Alice, Michael. Wow! Alice, ang takay.
Go, Eli! Go!
Our number 5. Pepsi foul. Wala naman ang Pepsi. Who's foul? Jonah is a teammates. Riquel, idol, sino foul? Ay? Sino foul? Kakampi niya yun eh. Sige. 24. Okay, sige. No problem. Nalito rin. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Jonah.
Go, Eli! Go!
Jonah. Presented by Gio. 15 seconds. GP. Eli.
One more, one more.
Oliver. Oh.
Come on, come on, Eli.
Stop na. Wala pa rin. Gio. Paul. Lozano. 10 seconds. Uy, ganda nun! Galing! Ang galing nun, no? Alisahan mo. Eli. Oh, Eli. Two balls by Chucky Rivera. Nice shot, Jude. St. Jude. Gio, short. Bago. Foul number 0. 0-0, Eli. Oh, last shot, boys. Last shot, last shot. Last shot, boys. Oh, tabla na tayo. Sila na din. Uy! Ganda si Gio. Gio! Eli. Whoa! Lucky foul, number 13. Lozano. Sub. Pwede na kami sub. 7 minutes. Pwede na sub. Pare. Uy! Pasto.
Rebound, rebound.
Check the last. Walang speed. To Holly. Oh! Foul number 11. Holding foul by number 11. First.
Go. Under.
Oy, Tyron! James! The June! Come on, June! Oh! Ashton! Up to June! Come on, June! Yun! Adi, one more time.
Push.
Yes, good. Rebound by Johan. The junior guy. For equal. Adi. Adi as for Adi. Uy! Lucky foul, number 12. Adi, big by issues. Oh, pati pala si Maki. Okay, 2 shots. Kulot, Sue, Mikey. Pasok.
Uy.
Yun! Grabe! Ang gusto, maganda rin. Hits. Yun. So yun. Grabe hits. Pasok ka. Nice shot, hits. Balik naman tayo. Ali, overrun. Shoot. Go ahead, go ahead. Six seconds. Uy, ganda ng pasa. Nice three ball. Bumper clear, so 1 point lang. Iron, slasher. To Jude. Come on, Jude. Jude. Short. Iron. Six. Iron. Ball number 9. Ang pag-isip lang tayo. Nike. Robert. Oh, Robert. Robert. Ali. Ali. Oh, almost Ali. Joel. Sayang. Ito na. Si Jets na naman ang tinira. Wala. Wala. Block. Jude. Tumaki. 12 seconds. Para shot by Jude Rivera. Nike. Pwede na pasa. Ito si Alden Max. Check. Wala. Aston. Jude.
One more.
8 seconds. Ready to get to.
Nice one.
Seven seconds. Uy, sayang.
Go.
Maki. Maki goal.
Nice.
24 seconds then.
Uy.
12. 10. Yes. Who's that? Yes. Ashton, come on. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Game. Nice game, oh, yun sinasabi ko.
Nice read. Go, Eli.
Rep. Wait. Sige nga, ikaw dito sa labas.
Get it! Ay!
Gets. Oliva. Uy! Rosado! Rebound, Jacob Rosado. Uy! 15 seconds. Usman, foul number 5. Jonah. This is the next guy, Jonah. Gio, pasok, ako lang nila. Gigi Paul, Gio Marco. Eli.
Go, Eli!
Jonah. This is the next guy. Oy! Gio, Lozano. Oy! Oliva. Oy! Gio. Omi. Pasok. James. Jonah. Foul number 24. My boy, JP. Eli. Wow. Now-play by Eli. Jonah to Eli. Gio. Jacob.
Stop, hands up!
Gio. Wow. Okay. Binibigyan ng movie yan ng kamay.
Go, High Street!
Who's ball? 24. JP again. Ilan na ball si JP? Third. I don't play. Tatlo na si JP ha.
Nice!
Gio JP Paul. 80 seconds. Ayun o! Umiiba! Bumaba! Oliva. Eli. Gio na naman. Pinasa kay Lozano. Ayun na! Goal! Grabe. Diretso po na ako ito. Baka nakasulit. Nakaramdaman ko na. Diretso po na ako yan.
Come on, guys!
JP. Gio na naman! Panis ang tatay. Foul number 21. Time out! Hans. Patience goal. 2 free throw for St. Jude. Jude River. Back. Adjust.
Pwede na mag-sample pag pumasok.
Nice.
Stop. Pwede na. You can stop anytime now. Wait. You can stop anytime.
Jude, you're in the middle. Ito lang tayo, 3-2.
Up. Hold it. Defense. Uy.
Dora, Dix. Malaki na Dix. Dora mo. Paris, ang kakaitin. Dix.
Rebound.
Jaga Sikorovsky. Uy, almost. Oh, ginawa niya.
Rebound.
40 seconds, wala ka sa ring. 40 seconds. 40 seconds to shoot. Rosano. Grabe yung play mo niya. Jude!
Nice one.
Gawin mo sa kanila. Johan! Red ball. Oliver. Richie foul number 13. Lozano. 18 seconds. 18 seconds to shoot. John Wall. Foul number 21. The Gentle Giant, Ea Cruz.
Nice one.
Jonah. One goal. Wala akong kita. Gio, to Nike boy. Nike. Gio. 15 seconds. 30. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2. 24 seconds, Marvin. Side ball. Matagal pa yan, mga lods. Yung mga gusto mag-pick and ball, gusto nyo bumili ng panahon, mayroong promo. May promo yan, may discount. Sabi lang kayo, two balls. Jonah. Gio. Nike. Oh! Sorry.
Kayo.
Jex. Superman Jex.
Nice one.
Sabi siya si Jex, ah.
Get it.
Sabret. Time out! Signature hold. 37, 36. Signature hold. Stop by one. Wow. What a pass. What a pass by Astor. 90. Gio. Uy!
Ashton. Rebound.
Gio. Nike. Nike. Panira na. Maganda. Oh, kapag na pala ulit. Bermelo. Second personal foul by Nike.
Pray lang po yung timeout po.
Nice one.
Time out daw, Hastin. Come on. Kaya natin say time out natin. Matagal pa yan. Jingo. Gio. 12 seconds. So hard. Red ball. Red ball. Eighteen seconds. Uy, bilik. Come on, iman fast. Ay, point lang yan. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Ay, bitin. One more, one more.
Loose ball foul. Number 9. Baki. Diego! Jordan. Shoot. Gio! 10 seconds.
No foul, no foul.
Gio. Huwag ka nang pasa.
Go, Ashton.
Foul number 4. Gio Pardo. Penalty. Ilang points dito? First personal foul by Gio Pardo. Lakas Jude. Saint Jude.
Rebound, Max. Nice. Yay!
What a good time.
Hey, one stop, one stop.
Go, go.
Baki.
Go, Ashton.
Buaston.
No foul, no foul.
Foul. Foul. Sino rep? Foul number 5. Si Jora. Divine. Yung kapila lang yung penalty.
Time out, time out. Last time out.
Time out! Ice cream.
We have 5 balls to game. Once they get the ball, we're just gonna use the clock. Right. Foul, but not after shooting. No after shooting. Right. We're just gonna waste some time. Right? Waste some time. If they can keep on passing, on attack, that's the kind of foul. But not after shooting. Clear? And then when we have the ball, use the clock. Right? Use the clock. No rush. Let's go.
Back to the ball. 90 seconds left. Ice cream up by 44-37. 14 seconds to shoot. Good foul. Gagamitin foul. 14 foul. Time. Foul number 11. 19. Penalty na sila.
Meron. We're gonna use the ball again. Waste 15 times before you foul.
Who's foul rep? Tatlo. Foul number 5. Jonah. 3 free throws for Nike. Traveling violation. Baseline correct, side ball.
Hey boys! Dito na tayo, di.
5 point lead lang. Kilo! Foul number 11. Stop the clock. Free throw for Lucky. Dahagaman. Weko.
Rebound!
18. Ayan! Oh, Gio! Gio ang lakas. Two free throw for Eli Castle. Pag pumasok yung second free throw, time out. Second free throw, pag pumasok, time out. Time out! Seven, 14. Nike. 1.8 seconds left. Foul number 10. Johan. Two free throws. For Jonah Rayo. Congratulations, High Street